Step 1. Open the side door with the triangular key. Step 2. Remove the 4 fixing screws of the measuring hopper and take them off. Step 3. Take out the measuring hopper from the door on the side with air cylinder. And then remove the 4 lugs on the hopper. Step 4. The air pipe installed should be placed on the same side of the electric control box. Step 5. Lift the measuring hopper parallel to the dovetail groove into the scale. And then install the 4 lugs. Step 6. Connect the air pipe according to the color classification. Installation completed.